Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सभी? वेलकम टू द चैनल. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर पार्ट 4 ऑफ दिस पीडी एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ एंड ये एमसीक्यूज़ होने वाले हैं जनवरी 2025 के. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 308 तक वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड इन 3 पार्ट्स. अगर आपने वो पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं तो यू कैन गो टू द चैनल एंड वॉच दोज 3 पार्ट्स फर्स्ट. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 309. Who will operate the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station in the year 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज शुभांशु शुक्ला. स्पेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस ईयर क्योंकि इसरो ने कुछ मिशन लॉन्च किए हैं. सबसे पहले तो आदित्य L1 इज़ अ मिशन टू स्टडी द आउटर लेयर ऑफ द सन. सेकेंड वन इज़ एक्सपोसैट. ओके, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. इसके अलावा आप मुझे ये बताएंगे कि सेकेंड स्पेस पोर्ट लॉन्च पैड ऑफ इसरो इज़ गोइंग टू बी इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन तमिलनाडु. तमिलनाडु में वो कौन सी जगह है जहाँ सेकेंड लॉन्च पैड इज़ गोइंग टू बी इस्टेब्लिश्ड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 310 देखते हैं. विच वुमेन हैज़ रिसेंटली बिकम द थर्ड वुमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली टिल डेट? तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? आतिशी मार्लेना. इसके पहले सुषमा स्वराज जी एंड देन शीला दीक्षित जी हैज़ बीन द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली. Now the next question is question number 311. Which medal did Dhanush Loganathan of India win in the Junior World Weightlifting Championship of 2024? So correct answer is bronze. पेरिस ओलंपिक्स ऑफ 2024 आपको ध्यान रखना है कि इंडिया ने इसमें 6 मेडल्स जीते थे जिसमें कि 1 सिल्वर था एंड 5 वेयर्स थी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल. पेरिस ओलंपिक्स के बारे में आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. इसके अलावा फिडे टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप के बारे में मैंने पिछले वीडियो में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन प्रोवाइड किया था. इसके अलावा हॉकी चैम्पियनशिप की मैं बात करूं तो इंडिया ने जीता है एशियन हॉकी चैम्पियनशिप. ठीक है, बोथ मेंस एंड वुमेन वाला भी इंडिया ने जीता है. ये कहाँ कंडक्ट हुआ था? ये बिहार में कंडक्ट हुआ था. ठीक है, ये सारा मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में कवर कर लिया है. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. Now 312 देखते हैं. Who won the Miss India Worldwide 2024 का टाइटल? So it was won by ध्रुवी पटेल. उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड टू सेट अप हाउ मेनी हाईटेक नर्सरीज इन द स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा 73. विच कंट्री हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू एलिमिनेट लेप्रोजी? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर हमारा जॉर्डन. अगर मैं मलेरिया की बात करूँ तो इजिप्ट ने अगर मैं मलेरिया की बात करूं तो इजिप्ट ने अभी रिसेंटली एलिमिनेट किया है मलेरिया को एंड जॉर्डन ने एलिमिनेट किया है लेप्रोसी को. विच स्टेट इन इंडियाज नॉर्थ ईस्ट हैज़ डिक्लेयर्ड इटसेल्फ टू बी मिलिटेंसी फ्री? सो करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा मणिपुर. मणिपुर की कैपिटल क्या है? इम्फाल है. ठीक है. नो. Which film has been selected as India's official entry in Oscar 2025? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बड़ा लापता लेडीज. Which medal did India win in the 45th FIDE Chess Olympiad? Correct answer is gold. Next is where will IFA awards be held in the year 2025? Correct answer is Jaipur. Which country's women cricketer Harsita Samaravikrama has won the ICC Player of the Month title for August 2024? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ये श्रीलंका की प्लेयर है. नेक्स्ट इज विच इंडियन वॉन द गोल्ड मेडल इन द मेंस 10 मीटर एयर पिस्टल इवेंट एट द टॉप गन कप? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा अनमोल जैन. 2 वुमेन ऑफिसर्स ऑफ इंडियन नेवी लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर रूपा ए एंड लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर दिलना के विल circumnavigate the world on which ship? सो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा INSV तरीनी. Next question is which male cricketer has won the ICC Player of the Month title for August 2024? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा दुनिथा वेल्लालगे. Which state has recently given the status of special tribal group to the Mankedia community? Correct answer is Odisha. Next is where will the 55th IFFI International Film Festival of 2024 be held? ये होने वाला है हमारे गोवा में. वेयर वॉज द थर्ड वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया ऑफ 2024 ऑर्गेनाइज? ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था हमारे न्यू दिल्ली में. न्यू दिल्ली में G20 की समिट भी हुई थी 2013 की, एंड दिस वाज 18th G20 समिट. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the shipping ministry? Correct answer is Manu Bhakar. How many crore of rupees has been allocated by the Union Cabinet for the Chandrayaan 4 mission? So 2104 crore rupees have been allocated. Next is on the recommendation of which committee has one nation one election been done? So the correct answer is रामनाथ कोविंद जो थे वो चेयरमैन थे. इसके अलावा होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह, देन इसके बाद में गुलाब नबी आज़ाद, लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, ये सारे के सारे मेंबर्स थे of the committee that has recommended one nation and one election. Now question number 3 to 9 is who has become the first woman pilot to fly the Tejas aircraft? So correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा मोहना सिंह. Next is who has recently launched the NPS Vatsyalaya Yojana? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा निर्मला सीतारमन, and she is the finance minister of India. Which union minister recently launched the Bhaskar portal? So it has been launched by Piyush Goyal sir. How much money has been allocated by the Center for Relief and Rehabilitation of People Affected by Natural Disaster? Correct answer is 12,554 crore rupees. Next is who is the first Pakistani woman to become an international cricket umpire? Correct answer is Salima Imtiaz. Next is how many medals has India won in the Paris Paralympics game of 2024? पेरिस में हुई थी ये गेम्स. सो करेक्ट आंसर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? करेक्ट आंसर है 29 मेडल्स इंडिया ने जीते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इंजीनियर्स डे सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर ऑन 15 सितंबर अक्रॉस द कंट्री ऑन हुज बर्थडे? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा मोक्षा दुगम विश्वेश्वरा. नेक्स्ट इज विच टेनिस प्लेयर हैज वॉन द वुमेन सिंगल टाइटल इन द US Open of 2024? करेक्ट आंसर इज आर्यना सबलैंका. नेक्स्ट है हमारा हु हैज़ बीन रिसेंटली सेलेक्टेड फॉर द एकलव्य अवार्ड्स ऑफ 2024? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा प्रत्याशा राय. विच टेनिस प्लेयर हैज़ वॉन द मेंस सिंगल टाइटल एट द US Open of 2024? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा चानिक सिनर. हु इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू बी इलेक्टेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द एशियन ओलंपिक काउंसिल? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा रणधीर सिंह. Next is how many personalities have received the Ramon Magsaysay Award for the year 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा 4 personalities को मिला है. Next is which football team has won the SAF Under-20 Championship title? Correct answer है हमारा बांग्लादेश. Next is which state in India has become the first to approve the unified pension scheme? So Maharashtra is the first state. Next is recently it has been announced to create 5 new districts of Ladakh. So how many districts will be there in this union territory? तो total अब 7 districts हो गए लद्दाख में. पहले अभी 5 बनाए गए, पहले के 2 districts थे. Next is question number 344. Kapil Parmar has become the first Indian athlete to win Paralympic medal in which sport? So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा judo. Next is which Indian female wrestler won the gold medal in the Under-20 World Wrestling Championship? Correct answer हो जाएगा ज्योति बरवाल. Next, in which event did Sumit Until won the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा javelin throw. Javelin throw से नीरज चोपड़ा भी रिलेटेड हैं जिन्होंने सिल्वर मेडल जीता है इन दी पेरिस ओलंपिक्स ऑफ 2024. गोल्ड किन्होंने जीता था पेरिस ओलंपिक्स में? पाकिस्तान के अरशद नदीम ने. Now, which country will host the ICC World Test Championship final in the year 2025? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? इंग्लैंड. ये टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप है. चैम्पियनशिप ट्रॉफी जो है वो पाकिस्तान में हेल्ड होने वाली है 2025 की. ये भी आप ध्यान रखेंगे. Next is Rural Doctors Movement was awarded the Ramon Magsaysay Award of 2024. It belongs to which country? तो रूरल डॉक्टर मूवमेंट ये थाईलैंड से बिलोंग करता है. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj signed an agreement with whom with aim of strengthening system for social change? Important question है. Correct answer हमारा UNICEF India. Which state government has launched the Subhadra योजना? ये ओडिशा ने लॉन्च की है and it is a scheme related to फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ ऑफ वुमेन. ठीक है. No. Where was the country's first Namo Bharat Rapid Rail inaugurated? So correct answer is Gujarat. Next is the Government of India has approved the health insurance of how many lakh rupees for senior citizens? Correct answer is 5 lakh. आयुष्मान भारत के अंदर सीनियर सिटीजन्स भी अब इंक्लूड किए जा चुके हैं. Next is which country recently took a seat as a member country of the United Nations in the 79th General Assembly session? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा पैलेस्तीन. Where did PM Modi inaugurate the Semicon India of 2024? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. President Draupadi Murmu honored how many people with the National Florence Nightingale Award? So correct answer is 15. Question number 356. The joint military exercise Al-Najah was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is Oman. Which app was recently launched by the Union Fisheries Ministers? Correct answer is Rangoli Fish. How many crore rupees have been provisioned by the Union Cabinet under the PME Drive scheme? So the correct answer is 10,900 crore. Now, on which date is the National Space Day celebrated in India? So the correct answer is 23 August, and this is the date on which the Chandrayaan touched the south part of the moon. Next is question number 360. Who has become the first Indian female racer to win the national championship? Correct answer is Diana Kundole. In the 54th GST Council meeting, the GST rate on cancer medicine has been reduced to what amount? Correct answer is 5%. In which sports did Avni Lakhera win the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics? Correct answer is shooting. Next is, with which country did India sign an MOU to enhance cooperation in the field of tourism? Correct answer is Malaysia. Where was the Global FinTech Festival of 2024 organized? So correct answer is Mumbai. Next है हमारा which ministry recently launched the SheBox portal? Correct answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next है who was recently elected as the chairman of the Parliamentary Official Language Committee? Correct answer है हमारा अमित शाह. Next is who launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana? Correct answer is Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Next is question number 368. All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS inaugurated a tobacco cessation clinic in which city? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा न्यू दिल्ली. On which foundation anniversary of the Supreme Court was the new flag and the logo unveiled? Correct answer is 75th. Now next है हमारा where was the Commonwealth Chess Championship of 2024 held? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. India's first conservation and breeding center for conservation of Asian king vulture has been started in which state? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next is Tata Advanced System Limited has signed an agreement with whom for the C-130J Super Hercules program in India? Correct answer है Lockheed Martin. Next is athlete Nishad Kumar won which medal in high jump at the Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer is silver medal. The Panchayati Raj Ministry organized a 5-day management development program with whom? Correct answer is IIM Amritsar. How many crore of rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for Digital Agriculture Mission? Correct answer is 2,817 crore. Recently, the Anubhav Puraskar Award was given by whom? Correct answer is Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare. Next is recently how many railway stations under Lucknow division of the Uttar Pradesh have been renamed? Correct answer is 8. In which event did Sharad Kumar and Pariyappan Thangavelu win medals in the Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer is high jump. Who has been appointed as the selector of the men's cricket team by the BCCI? Correct answer is Ajay Ratna. Who recently launched the first phase of the Project Naman? Correct answer is Indian Army. Who is the first Indian female athlete to win 2 medals in the track and field events in the Paris Paralympics or Olympics? Correct answer is Preeti Pal. The finance ministry gave a Navratna status to how many companies? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? तो 4. Union Minister George Kurian has been elected unopposed to Rajya Sabha from which state? Important question है. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन का हमारा मध्य प्रदेश. Which bank has launched a new saving bank account scheme named Avani for women? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बंधन बैंक. मुख्यमंत्री सुख शिक्षा योजना हैज़ बीन लॉन्च बाय विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा हिमाचल प्रदेश. Who have been made the Indian flag bearer for the closing ceremony of Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer is Harvinder Singh and Preeti Pal. In which country was the Asian Hockey Championship Trophy organized? ये ऑर्गेनाइज की गई थी चाइना में. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 388. प्रधानमंत्री प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च द जल संचय जन भागीदारी इनिशिएटिव इन विच सिटी? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज सूरत. Which union minister has been included in the Times magazine list of AI's most influential people? Correct answer is Ashnavi Vaishnav. Which state government has announced 33% reservation for women in the police force? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Next है हमारा where did the President Murmu inaugurate the Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Which award did Indian club thrower Dhanamveer win in the Paris 2024 Paralympics? Correct answer is gold. Who is the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone? Correct answer is Siddharth Agarwal. Next is Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced to build how many football stadiums in the state? Correct answer is 18. With which country has India partnered for a semiconductor? Important question है. Correct answer is Singapore. Which country has scored the highest power play total in T20I cricket? Correct answer is Australia. With which country has the Indian Navy recently conducted the Varun exercise? Correct answer is France. Who won the title of Under-20 SAF Football Championship? तो ये किसने जीता है? So it has recently been won by Bangladesh. Next, how many crore rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for hydropower projects in the northeastern states? So the correct answer is 4,136 crore. Next is who won the title of Indian National Chess Championship? So correct answer है हमारा कार्तिकेय वेंकट रमन. Next है हमारा Paris Paralympics of 2024 was organized in Paris, the capital of France, between which dates? So the correct answer is 28th August to 8th September. The Union Home Minister has announced the creation of 5 new districts in the which union territory? Correct answer is Ladakh. So with this we have done another 100 questions. Do like the video and watch the other parts as well. आने वाले कुछ दिनों में we will complete all the MCQs. Thank you for watching.